Welcome to another episode of Late Night Shenanigans with your girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are we doing today? Today, I want to do another beach scene. The first one came out so nice. I want to do another one, but this time I want to do it on canvas. So I got this little pour thingy because I want to do it on canvas and have it pour over the side. I've never done that before. So I watched a ton of videos and apparently this is like really messy. So I went ahead and I protected my desk because this is actually a working desk here. And I went ahead and I put some 3M tape, some tape at the bottom. This is painter's tape or whatever on the bottom of my canvas. This canvas is already primed. So everything is good. I went ahead and I mixed up my resins. So because it's the beach, of course, I have my deep blue, and then I have my more shallow water. And then I have the sand here, which, is not really giving, but everything is starting to thicken up a little bit. And then of course I have some clear, and then I have my white for the waves over here. So I want to kind of let it thicken up a little bit, so that I can get that good, okay, like I did on the last one. So hopefully I'll be able to actually show you what I did last time, because I did that pretty much off the air. And then I had some more extra resin. So okay, so everything is all taped off and everything. And what I want to do on this one is I have some driftwood here that I want to put pieces of driftwood on the beach. So I want to do the beach on the side over here, and then have the blue water coming to teal, and almost to nothing coming all the way down here, and then have some driftwood where the waves would kind of swirl around it and to come to the beach. Not quite sure what I want to do with those yet, but I'm taking those off. It's time to start working the waves. Oh, yes. Oh my God, this is going to be so good. Okay. right, so what do you think? Oh my God, I am loving it. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for pour number 2. It's day 2 on this particular pour. I love how this came out. I just kind of want you to see like how all of this looks right now. As a matter of fact, there's so many things that I learned, and this is like amazeballs. These are beautiful. This is my second pour, and this one came out way nice. I had like the spillage over the sides, and I pulled the tape off, you know, after 24 hours after I did it, so it was still kind of soft, but now this is good and hard and everything. And notice what I did different this time. I don't think I showed the bottom of my tray before. I just kind of rested it on these things right here, like this, which was stupid, okay, in hindsight, because of course the whole thing stuck to it. So now what I'm doing, I put these cups in here so that this can rest on the cups and then flow off, and it's not like in contact, you know, nothing's on there. I went ahead and I mixed up some resin, so now I need to go ahead and put the colors in. What I want to do is a second pour and make some more waves on my piece, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's absolutely beautiful, and I use a little driftwood. I absolutely love it. I want to kind of like put some waves in here. I kind of like this 3D effect with the sand, because this sand looks dry and it's hard. It feels it's dry, and then you have the wet sand in the middle with the little driftwood and the shells and stuff. It's really, really cute. So let's go ahead and get some color going here, because I mixed up some and I have some extras, and I've been watching some more videos so that I can kind of see just what folks are doing. And I noticed that in order to get the waves to kind of do its thing over the water, you put down clear first. So I think that's going to be the first thing I do, is put down some clear. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so yeah, let's do some color. These close up to make these dark colors in the ocean, right? But we definitely doing the white. Okay. Now this is a kind of a paste, and it's super thick. So what I'm going to do, looks pretty cool, right? It's pretty. All right, I'm going to set this aside because I need this to be super thick. Okay, so now I already got the white on my fingers. We're gonna do the deep colors, and we'll pour these last because I kind of want the white. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Oh geez. Oh my gosh, a crap ton just fell out. Like a crap ton. Oh my God, but it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Look at this. Right? You see that? Oh my gosh. Let me show you this one. nice. And this is a turquoise color. Oh, that is gorgeous. Do you see this? Do you see this right here? Oh my God. Okay, we're back. All right, so this is what we got going on. I went ahead and I repoured it 2 times. 2 times. And I'm done with this. I am so done with this right now because, ooh, this is getting on my nerves. Okay, it's getting on my nerves. But all right, so I was so tired of this. I'm so tired of this. Anyway, so this is what it turned out to be. I did 2 more pours and I just frankly got tired. But okay, so what happened was, let me tell you about what I learned by doing this. Okay, so on the first pour, the wave just kind of got obliterated, right? After I did created the waves, created the cells and all the stuff, it just kind of got obliterated. So I went back to University of YouTube and watched some more videos, and I was like, oh, okay, that's what they did. So I did another pour, and then the other thing that was weird about that second pour was the epoxy started to set before I was done messing with it, and then it created all kinds of divots, and oh, it looked horrible. It wasn't nice and smooth like it is now. So so if you look, see how smooth that is? It's like glass. It's like glass. It's so smooth. And that's one of the things I absolutely love about this finish. This finish is amazeballs. Okay, amazeballs. And when I did it that last time, oh my gosh, there was like divots and stuff all over. It was horrible. I hated it. So I didn't want to keep that as the last pour. So I did another pour and decided to see if I can, define this wave a little bit. And then this wave was down here. Okay. But as it set, it just floated off the piece. So I checked to make sure that the stand was level, and it is level. It just so happened that, as the epoxy continued to set, the wave just fell off. So I'm good. I don't want to pour anymore. This is like 3 or 4 pours. Okay. All right. So the other thing that I learned was I should have taped off the back of this. So I didn't tape it off in the very beginning. And after doing so many pours, it was so thick with resin underneath here. It was so thick that I had to go out and buy a tool to get it off. And this was the tool that I bought. I bought a Dremel. Okay. And oh my God, love this thing. Okay. So here, let me move this and put this in the way. So gosh, I don't even know where to put this. All right. So I ended up using this tool right here. You can see all the sand and stuff. This was the tool that I ended up using, right, to get rid of all of the little drip drops that were on the side, because of course it was all cured and it was ridiculous, man. It was so ridiculous. It was so thick. So after I used that rotary tool to kind of like grind all this stuff off, I learned my lesson and I taped that puppy. You know, I taped it so that I wouldn't have to deal with that. So now I should have taken this off this morning, but whatever. I'm gonna heat up the tape and take this off, and so it should be nice and clean underneath. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I'm really happy with it, and I'm gonna stop pouring because this right here, oh my God, I probably poured a whole bottle of resin on this thing, okay? But I was a little bit happier with this wave. The one that I had before looked really nice, and somewhere deep inside of this piece, under layers and layers and layers of resin, are the original waves that I had. But I wanted to make, the main thing I wanted to do for this was I really wanted this deep blue up here. It had to be deep blue up here, and then come down to the shore, and then have some kind of, you know, wave type of situation happening as it broke onto the beach. So, and you see my little starfish, he's buried in the sand. He was very prominent before, but he's buried in the sand now, and I've added some more stuff. So I am done with this piece. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I'd be curious to know. Remember, this is what, my second pour? or yeah, well, yeah, it's my second pour. The first one was looked like vomit, and this one was my second pour. But I also did some other little coasters, because here's the other thing. You waste a lot of resin when you have these like things that just kind of, you know, pour over. And this is a small amount here compared to how much I've wasted trying to do this. Okay, so I love the way it looks. I'd have to be a little bit more, you know, think a little bit more about how I'm doing my actual piece, so that I don't end up with a whole bunch of wasted resin here. So anywho, this was a very fun project, but I got something else planned. Oh my God, I'm going to do my first geode piece. And I wish you guys would just come along with me for the ride, because you know what, this is my meditation, my mental health, you know, get back to sanity thing, because or it could be a little procrastination tool that I'm using, but you know, hey, I'm having fun. So anyways, till the next time, see you in the next video.